Natural Vibes Roots is a unique, powerful, yet refreshing blend of the highest quality roots grown right here in Jamaica. We've been around since 1979, and so we've been doing this for some time. And during the time, we've taken the opportunity to perfect our formula, and as such, we have a product that can be enjoyed not only by the whole family, but it's also not compromising on the quality as well as the potency of our product.
This roots product made up of natural Jamaican herbs from St. Catherine Hills and Valley and its neighbor parishes of Jamaica. It's made up of herbs that carry a lot of health benefit to Jamaica and the Caribbean and the world at large. Jamaica have the answer for all the health that you can think about. And it comes from the Jamaican natural herbs. From the herbs like chini root, ramoon, bread nut, sarsaparilla, search me hard, breadfruit leaf, bread nut, ramoon, and a host other more things. Coconut root. It is so good. It is fully natural and carry a lot of health benefit.
Natural Vibes Roots drink is a very versatile product that can be enjoyed by the entire family. I personally enjoy it at room temperature right out the bottle, but it can also be added to your favorite alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverages.
Hi guys, my name is Ryan Mitu and I'm a senior mixologist with over 12 years experience in bartending and mixology. Today I'll be demonstrating how to make cocktails using Natural Vibes Roots. Natural Vibes is a roots drink and it's excellent by itself. I like mine well cold on the ice. But separate and apart from that, sometimes you have customers that like to want the vibes up their natural vibes. And now I'll be demonstrating a Natural Vibes cocktail called the Island Breeze, where it's 1 ounce of coconut rum, 2 ounces of Natural Vibes Roots, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And there you have it. Island Breeze by Natural Vibes.
Or if you're cooking, it can be added to your favorite sauces.
I'm in the kitchen today doing my steamed fish. It's a special. We're going to show the world that we can do it with our Natural Vibes Roots. So we're going to steam it up and we're going to cook it with love so you can enjoy it. So here I have my snapper prepared, my seasoning, here my dry seasoning, my herbs and spices. this is lovely. This is gonna be lovely. This is our steamed fish, seasoned with Natural Vibes root drink, perfect for any occasion.
What I like about Natural Vibes is all natural ingredients and it's made here in Jamaica by Jamaicans.
What makes Natural Vibes Roots stand out from all the other products on the market is that over the years we've taken the time to perfect our formula to create a product that is more palatable and also refreshing without compromising on the health benefits as well as the quality of our product.
What we do, we work with the moon works as a cycle, and the herbs also work with the moon. There's a certain time when the medicine is up in the herbs, and there's a certain time when it is down in the earth. What we do, we study the moon and know when this herbs, the medicine is up in the herbs. So we go into the woods and we pull the roots in and bring it and wash it and dry it, put it to dry. And then we pound it up in small pieces, and then we put it to dry, and then we boil it.
What I also like about Natural Vibes Roots drink is that it doesn't have that heavy amount of sugar, so you don't get that crash like those energy drinks on the market. I mean, the product is so balanced and uniquely blend that it's for perfect occasion, for any occasion, for nighttime, for daytime, for working and for playing. You know what I mean? Natural Vibes. Can't beat it. I love this product.
Natural Vibes is great. It's a great and it's a wonderful drink. It's a drink for every member of the family.
You can find Natural Vibes Roots drink island-wide at any convenience store, supermarket, or at your local corner shop. Natural Vibes Roots drink can be enjoyed by the entire family. Whether you're on the go, at work, or socializing, it's your all-around roots beverage.